A 1.6% rise is seen for Tron by tomorrow, based on digital coin price data. But first, here's the current view of today's activity. As of right now, Tron has dropped 1% in 24 hours and is hovering near $0.3492. Let's review some forecast scenarios now. Coin price forecast gives a forecast of 35 cents by May 11, which would be 0.2% above today. CoinCodex projects a move up to $0.3507 for Tron, which implies a gain of 0.4%. According to Traders Union, it could test $0.3528, an increase of about 1%. Another projection from Digital Coin Press indicates Tron may head toward $0.3549, a gain estimated at 1.6%. And finally, Crypto Prediction sees the price heading to $0.3615 by tomorrow, which is 3.5% above current levels. This is the most profitable forecast among all. That wraps our top projections. Let's dig further. Let's take a closer look at the key details of these forecasts. Based on the forecasts, the price could move between a gain of 0.2% and an increase of 3.5%, depending on the analyst. Looking at the numbers, Crypto Predictions comes out on top with 3.5% gain in value by tomorrow. Based on these forecasts, you might see a return of between $2 and $35 for every $1,000 you invest. By examining recent volatility patterns, coin price forecast emerges as the most likely scenario, with a 67.9% chance of success. Using the input of all 5 forecasts, I've outlined a consensus view. The consensus scenario puts Tron on course for about 1.3% growth. Here are the key details. The consensus figure shows the price moving up 1.3% by tomorrow. And by that identical percentage, your capital may also grow. In practice, 1,000 might correspond to roughly $13 gained. Consensus calculations suggest the scenario has a probability of around 55%. Let's shift our focus to how analysts view the 3-day outlook. A flat trend is suggested by Coin Price Forecast. CoinCodex highlights the likelihood of a climb in price. Tron is likely to advance, meanwhile Traders Union notes. Likewise, Digital Coin Price predicts steady gains ahead. A stronger push upward is meanwhile expected by Crypto Predictions. With analysts in broad agreement, the consensus highlights upward momentum for Tron. All 5 analysts are unanimous, projecting Tron to move higher. So, when all forecasts are considered, the majority outlook highlights Tron moving in an upward direction. 5 forecasts came out 2 days ago. Let's see how they compared with reality. As a result, the price eventually moved to $0.3502. Only 2 of 5 analysts ended up correct about the trend. Most precise forecast was delivered by 30 rates. Time to sort through the results. The price span included 2 forecasts. When it comes to ROI, a few positive results appeared. The best one came from Digital Coin Price with 1.3%. And now, the overall results are on screen. Everything in one view. CoinLore registered 0.2043 accuracy and minus 0.4% ROI, with a forecast probability of 61%. See if you can spot which predictions were the most successful. Let's see how the forecasts for tomorrow compare across several cryptos including Tron. Tron comes in at second place, while Polygon displays forecasted profitability of 1.6%. This section includes Tron and 4 random cryptocurrencies, while a far broader selection is already accessible on my website. Don't miss the next strong move. Subscribe and stay informed. Alright, bye now.